Okay, we are at Target to get school supplies. I have a list here. Mainly we have to get second grade supplies. My middle school and high school are pretty much are set. Their teachers ask for a lot less, but we're at Target, one of our favorite stores. So Elsie did have some classroom supplies, but we had to turn those in at open house, right?
Yes.
So we got those a few days earlier, and we'll share that at the end of the video for Meyer. So Mila's first year in high school, she kind of gets to pick the supplies she wants, and she wants index cards for notes, 75 cents.
Can I get one home?
Elsie's getting one too, 75 cents again. Okay, Kel's teacher said he needs 2 black and white composition notebooks. Those are 50 cents a piece. Go ahead and grab them, bud. Mila is getting 5 of the folders. They're on sale for 50 cents. She's making sure she got the ones with holes, which makes sense. So Cal noticed that these are college ruled. He needs wide ruled, so he's gonna pick 2 of those. Do you want them both green?
What other colors?
Any of those colors are wide ruled.
Are you guys going school shopping?
Yeah, are you?
Mm-hmm.
What grade are you going into?
First grade.
Oh, enjoy. So Mila is getting some 99-cent notebooks. How many are you getting, Mila?
Good.
3 for her classes. And Elsie, how many are you getting?
2.
So we're getting 5 99-cent guys. Cal needs 3 folders, and they're 50 cents, as same as the girls. He doesn't need them to be 3 ring though, and he can pick any colors. Good picks, buddy.
I heard you say that, and I was like,
Yeah, he noticed that I said 3. He actually needs 4, so he's picking out 1 more color. Good catch, bud. Elsie is getting Sharpie pens. So $1.99. Mila's getting a pack of those too. What do you guys use these for? Note taking?
Yeah.
Okay. Outline. Okay, perfect. Okay, Kel's teacher asked for Expo markers, so these are on sale for $4.49. Am I just gonna get that? Yep, she said any color or size, so that's perfect. Okay, Kel, listen, you need a 1-inch binder. So there's yellow, orange, white, a red. You want orange? Okay, and it's on sale for $3.29. I knew you'd pick orange, buddy. Mila's getting 4 1-inch binders for her classes, $3.29 or $2.79, depending on if they're colored or not.
Oh, I can get black and white then.
Oh, I don't care. Color will make it easier.
Yes.
So we need 2-pack of colored pencils. They're on sale for 50 cents for the Mondo Llama. So we're gonna get 2 of those, 1 for Elsie, 1 for Cal. We actually need 3 things of colored pencils, 1 for Cal's class, 1 for Cal. So 50 cents a piece. Okay, Cal needs 2 boxes of these, 1 for the class, 1 for his own personal supplies. Definitely getting the washable ones, and they're $2.99 a piece on sale. This is what we wanted, but we're too late. 50 cents instead of $2.25. Like, where, please? We're missing all the 50-cent sales. We took too long. We should have shopped earlier. Kids are laughing that someone left half their lunch here. Must not have been that good. Mila's getting some mechanical pencils, $1.39. Cute rainbow ones. Okay, the teacher wants Ticonderoga pencils. They're all out here, so we're gonna have to order those. The teacher also has this giant list of things they're looking for that you could help with, so we're gonna grab a couple things. We're gonna get an Elmer's glue, a giant bottle for $1.79. We're also for $4.49 gonna get a 12-pack of the disappearing purple glue sticks. She also asked for page protectors, and I don't think that's something that most people bring, so I'm gonna grab 100 of those at $7.89. Okay, here's a little tip for you. We came to the non-school supply section, just their normal arts and crafts area, and they still have some of the sale items up here. So I'm grabbing 2 of these crayon boxes for 25 cents. Okay, Kel also wants to get one of these for the classroom. We'll donate those as well, $1.49. Okay, the teacher asked for tissue paper, so we'll also get, she wanted different colors, so we'll get both of these. They're $3.50 a piece. I'm trying to donate things that I don't think other families will grab. Okay, so we're at checkout now with using things that we have and not having one of my kids even get a supply list were much lower than normal. So that's a benefit of high school. Any guess on the total? After a $5 gift card and a Target red card discount, the total was $62.89. And you can see the girls are here already getting their stuff set up. Thanks, Target. Okay, so Elsie and I are in Meijer, and we're doing school supply shopping in a few days, but we have some things that we're supposed to take to the open house, which is going to be before we do all of our school shopping. So we're going to just get these 4 things while we're at Meijer, get them done, and then we'll do the rest after we check. We'll do the rest after we check what we already have and what we need. Okay, so we're over here with the Expo markers. They're buy one, get one half off, and they don't have any just black unless it's thin. So maybe they're in a middle aisle, we can look. But it's nice that they're buy one, get one half off. You want to get those, the colors? We could get 2 of these, $4.49, buy one, get one half off.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so we're getting these buy one, get one half off. $4.49 and then half off of $4.49. Okay, so they have small boxes up here, or they have giant boxes down here. We're gonna get 2 of the giant ones instead of 4 smaller boxes. So one's gonna be $9.99 and it's buy one, get one half off. So we're gonna get the other one for $5. Go ahead and grab it, girl. Okay, I found Scotch tape. I'm guessing Elsie's gonna pick this color, but we'll see what she picks. $1.29 no matter what color. Okay, Elsie, pick a tape. Which one do you want? That's exactly the one I guessed that you'd pick. Do I know you or what?
Yeah. Creepy.
Okay, so this has nothing to do with school, but we did get this for my son. It's on clearance from $11.49 to $3.44, and his birthday's coming up. He loves mystery. He loves stuffies. Good find, Elsie. Elsie picked these Meijer tissues, and they're $5.99 for a 4-pack. Get it, girl. I forgot we got 2 tank tops for Elsie. So our total was $61.95 because I also had a $2 coupon. So semi-school related, some not school related.